Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's look at our agenda for today. First, we will understand what is Langchain. Then, we will see how does Langchain works. And finally, we see some components of Langchain. So, let's get started. First, let's see what is Langchain. Langchain is an open source framework that allows to combine LLM models like GPT-4 with the external data like PDF, CSV, text and many more for development of new applications. For understanding LLM clearly, kindly go through this video which I already made previously. Next, as the GPT model have been trained on data until January 2022, which becomes a limitation as we already in 2024. So, for training new data with these powerful LLM models, we make use of Langchain. This tool simplified the process of making applications like chatbots, virtual agents, summarizations and many more. It is offered in two programming languages, that is Python and JavaScript. After getting the basic idea of Langchain, let's now see how exactly it works. For understanding it better, let's look at the below flow. At first, different types of huge different data are taken and then these data are divided into smaller chunks, where chunks are nothing but splitting huge data into small parts. And then these chunks of words are embedded and then stored in vector storage, where vector stores are the place for storing embeddings and used for performing vector search for you. After this, when a query input is inserted, then with the help of Langchain, we will query the vector storage from where the relevant informations are retrieved, then fed to the LLM to generate the final answer. In this way, Langchain works. Next, let's dive into the different components of Langchain. Below are the components we have in Langchain, that is models or you can say LLMs. Next, prompts, then chains, embeddings and vector, and lastly agents. Let's understand these components one by one. First, we have models or LLMs. Basically, most of the LLMs can be used by Langchain either by any of the below ways, either with the help of OpenAI API key or Hugging Face, or can use the open source LLM model which is available. Next, let's see what is prompts in Langchain. Prompts are nothing but the instruction given to an LLM model for generating relevant and specific desired responses. Or in other way, prompts are essentially instructions or questions designed to guide the model's output in a certain direction. Let's understand how prompts are written. For example, let's suppose you are creating a translation bot. So let's consider some of the input samples. First, translate the word how are you into French. Second, translate the word how are you in Hindi. If you observe in both of the sentence, only the language is different and the remaining sentence are same. So here comes the role of prompts. So when the prompts are created, it will be like translate the word into curly brackets, which will tell the language name which needs to be translated and then passed to the LLM model. This is just a basic idea of prompts, but when we build these prompts, different other combinations and techniques are used internally with the help of Langchain prompt template. Next, let's understand about what are chains. Chains are used to integrate your prompt template and LLMs together. This component allows us to integrate different blocks and merge them into a single block. Meaning, for example, let's suppose we have a chain that is chain 1, translate how are you in French is combined with the LLM. Next, we have created one more chain that is chain 2, further translate the word into Hindi is combined with the same LLM. Now, we will combine these two different chains to generate combined results. In this way, multiple chains can be possible in different way in Langchain. Next, we have embeddings and vectors. As we discussed earlier, the input will be broken into smaller chunks which will be then converted into numerical representation known as embeddings. And these chunks of embeddings are stored into the vector storage which will be further used to perform the search of most relevant information. Finally, let's see what is agents in Langchain. In agents, a language model is used as a reasoning engine to determine which action to be taken and in which order. Basically, Langchain are capable of adding different tools to the application like Python shell, Google search, terminal command and many more by making use of agent concept. So, this is the basic understanding of all the components present in Langchain. This is all about this video. Kindly do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in my next video.